Alright guys, today we have a beater box unboxing, blessing box, whatever you want to call it, from Trusted Kicks. This box was $150 plus like $10 shipping. Took like 5 days to get here, I don't know. But yeah, there's 5 shoes in here, so let's see. We got these Asics in here. Asic Gel Saga, that's kind of garbage. Won't go for much, but these will be for sale on my Instagram and stuff if anyone wants to buy them. Probably like $20. Yeah, Asics. These are the shoes without boxes. Then Black History Month KD7s. Pretty nice. Not that bad. Lightly used. Couple paint chips and scratches on the air unit. Bottoms aren't really icy anymore either. So now the shoes with the box. We got LeBron 12s. Some LeBron 12 lows. And it's like Broncos colorway. Pretty nice. Bottoms really very used. Not that bad. Then we got Jordan box. Jordan 5, Retro 5 low, size 10. So these are the fire red Jordan 5 lows. Not bad. Definitely used. No, not icy anymore. Some scuffs. But yeah, scuffs. Not that bad. And then the last shoe is Kobe 10 Elite. These are beat up. Yeah, it's ripped here. Really dirty. I don't know. Probably can't sell these for much. But yeah, that's all the shoes in this box. I'm selling all the shoes except for the Jordans. I think I'm gonna keep. So yeah, if you wanna buy these, go on my Instagram and DM us. So yeah, thanks for watching.